Australia has long led the way in aftermarket programmable engine management. One company that has remained at the forefront is EMS. Founded in 1993, the company now distributes to an international market, including the US, Great Britain, the Middle East, Japan, and Europe. EMS is best known for its range of programmable engine management systems, but the company also sells other accessories, including the AIM range of digital dashes, Innovate wideband O2 kits, and also their own mini logger, which simply plugs into any of their ECUs. EMS currently market the Stinger 4 computer and their flagship 8860 ECU. Both engine management systems are developed and assembled here in Australia by EMS trained technicians to stringent manufacturing standards. Every ECU is tested on the specially built test bed before being packed and shipped. EMS developed their own software in-house as well. EMS also service, repair and upgrade all of their older models of computers. The 8860 is the top of the range model. Packed inside the tough anodized aluminium casing is a high-speed, robust Freescale processor designed for automotive use. The easy-to-use Windows software is compatible with all Microsoft Windows from 95 to XP. EMS prides itself on developing user-friendly software, which also has built-in data logging and tune analysis capabilities. The 8860 is packed with features. It has a whopping 15 user-definable inputs and 8 outputs on top of the 8 injector and 8 ignition outputs. Of the 15 definable inputs, 8 are voltage-based inputs such as thermocouples and 7 are digital inputs such as wheel speed. On top of this, it has 9 standard inputs, including 1 barometric and 2 built-in wideband air-fuel ratio inputs. This means the 8860 can read straight from conventional Bosch oxygen sensors. The 8860 is able to read most factory OEM sensors, and many of the calibration tables are already built into the software. This includes ignition trigger types, which means it's simply a matter of selecting the trigger type from the menu. This also means that the 8860 doesn't have to be ordered model specific, like some other management systems. Any 8860 can be used on any car, whether it be a rotary or a 4-cylinder, right up to 16 cylinders. The 8 user-definable outputs means the 8860 can control almost anything, including thermos, aircon, VTEC systems, electric water pumps, boost control, shift lights, and much more. 4 of the channels can be used as PWM outputs. It also has special functions available, including nitrous capabilities and 2 modes of anti-lag. The 8860 is now able to control fuel sequentially for better power, drivability, and fuel economy. The 8860 has 8 sequential injection outputs. The sequential injection can be controlled and tuned separately in the user-friendly software. The real-time user-definable fuel and ignition maps can be viewed 3-dimensionally, giving the user instant feedback. Revs can be defined in 1 RPM increments with up to 96 mappable points. The 32 user-definable load points can be programmed to read from a combination of any 2 sensors, including the map sensor, throttle position sensor, or airflow meter inputs. This real-time user-definable mapping system allows a total of 3,072 points for each fuel and ignition map, giving very precise engine control. Unlike many competitors, the 8860 has a built-in 60 psi or 5 bar map sensor and can also be calibrated to read most factory airflow meters. The 8860 also has a tune analyzer that enables the tuner to set the desired air-fuel ratio target for maximum fuel efficiency. The 8 ignition outputs use a 96 by 32 point user-definable map, which is independent of the fuel map, and the timing resolution is 0.2 degrees. There is also a trim function for the fuel and ignition maps to help make tuning adjustments quicker and easier. With such an impressive specification list, let's check out the 8860 in action. V&E Regoli are an authorised EMS dealer and one of Australia's top workshops. This Evo Lancer is fitted with an aftermarket exhaust, induction and intercooler kit and is typical of a light-tuned street car. This particular Evo had a remapped factory computer as well, so its power was already up from standard with 216 kilowatts at the wheels. Vince then installed and tuned the 8860. The 8860 was able to provide more precise ignition timing and air-fuel ratio, so at the same boost level, peak power rose to 232 kilowatts with improvements across the entire power range. Vianney Regoli installed an 8860 on another Evo 9 that was simply fitted with an exhaust and witnessed huge increases in power and performance. The car went from 180 kilowatts with just the exhaust to 224 kilowatts with the 8860 installed. That's a massive increase in power, all by simply installing and tuning the EMS 8860. For more information on EMS and authorized dealers, check out the website. All the W's, fuel-injection.com.